Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
A roux is simply fat and flour cooked together to thicken sauces and soups. Use equal parts fat and flour by weight, for example 2 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons flour. Begin with 2 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons flour for about 1 cup sauce. Melt the butter in a heavy skillet over medium heat, add the flour, and stir immediately to form a paste. Cook over medium heat and whisk constantly to prevent lumps. This establishes roux color controls flavor and thickening power. White roux cooks 2 to 3 minutes, blonde roux 4 to 6 minutes, brown roux 8 to 20 minutes. Lower heat prevents burning while longer cooking develops nuttier flavors and darker color. As the roux darkens, it loses some thickening strength, so adjust quantities for the final viscosity. Stir or whisk continuously for even color and to avoid scorching. If the roux smells burned, discard and start again, because burnt flavor cannot be removed. To use roux, add warm liquid slowly while whisking to create a smooth sauce. This prevents lumps and shock to the mixture. One small batch of 2 tablespoon roux thickens about 1 cup of liquid to a medium consistency, so scale proportionally using equal parts by weight. If making gravy, add stock gradually and simmer to finish. Cool any unused roux, refrigerate up to 1 week, or freeze in portions for up to 3 months for quick future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.